Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your FreshBooks account, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you make a profit and loss statement in your FreshBooks? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you need your profit and loss statement in FreshBooks anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're applying for a loan for your business, a lot of times they want to see your profit and loss statement. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your FreshBooks dashboard. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my FreshBooks account, and this is the home screen. Now here in the home screen, if you want to create a profit and loss statement, what you're going to do is here on the left side, look down here towards this button here called Reports. Once you click there, you will be in the Reports screen, and to get your profit and loss statement, you're going to scroll down until you get to the section Accounting Reports, and just click on this button here, Profit and Loss. Okay, by default, you're going to see your profit and loss statement for the entire current year. So you can see right here. Now, if you need a profit and loss statement for maybe a month or a quarter, you can click right here on the Filters button. All right, once you do that, you can go ahead and choose the date range. So this month, last year, this quarter, you can do a custom as well. You can also change the settings to your profit and loss right here as well, and then click on apply. So for example, I'll do this month and then apply. Okay, so here is my profit and loss statement right now. And then what you can do is you can click up here on more actions, and you can go ahead and export to Excel, or you can print it. Or if you need to send this to someone directly, you can go ahead and use this feature and email it out. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to get your profit and loss statement in FreshBooks, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up, or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.